It's about to turn up. It's about to turn up. Oh shit.
Go ahead.
Oh shit.
Come on, Happy New Year!
Oh, 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 let the fuck go! What the fuck are we doing here? What the fuck? Oh my God, let the fuck go!
That bitch is going on. Look at that.
Alright, now 2013, we're here.
Damn, nigga, my heart.
We about to take over. Oh, Corey Lowe, right, light another one. Oh, I hope I don't step in the mud with my new shoes.
Hey, this one from Corey.
Turn up.
My name Green for New Year, baby.
Turn up. That was crazy. I almost ran into one of them houses. I was on that nigga saying, what the?
Them hoes are shooting, nigga, like damn. Ain't never seen them hoes go like that. I think I dropped a couple bombs. Look, I did look all my bombs over here. I done dropped everything. What now?
The truth came out, he burned.
Where?
What about that
The light don't work no more.
Oh yeah, they going too.
The hell went dead.
The camera?
The light went dead.
Shit, I got some right here.
I can still see though, but it got all that stuff on there.
About which?
We setting up. We about to turn up.
Hey, Corey.
You know how everybody usually be, you know what I'm saying? Y'all at the fireworks show. We got the fireworks show right here.
We need another lighter.
Turn up. We do our own fireworks. So
Anybody got the lighter?
we turning up right now.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
It's a lot of
3 minutes.
black people here. Let me go to the secret weapon real quick. Let me show y'all the secret weapon right there. Y'all see this big baby? You see that big baby? Yeah, it's dangerous. This is for 12. You see that? 182 shots. This is dangerous. Like, I'm scared right now. It's not a joke. It's about to be a happy. Oh, damn, that was turned up. All right. Anyways, we about to turn up. The light on the camera is out right now, but it looks like Cheddar's grabbing the secret weapon. Oh snap!
You see what time it is. 182 motherfucking shots.
Kind of nervous.
Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
This is going on WorldStarWayne.com. Alright.
Follow each one of these. Come on.
Tell me.
Oh, the rain.
We got a whole firework team right now.
What now?
That's one big thing.
Oh, what are you doing?
That's a smoke bomb.
Oh, not under the car.
Might get that motherfucker from under the car. Hey, y'all tripping. Don't run.
All right.
It's right here. It's just a smoke bomb.
It's gone. It's gone.
Let me put, hold on.
That was dangerous.
You gotta get out of it.
All right, I'm gonna just back up because
Why did you do that?
All right, what time is it?
the secret weapon right here.
3 minutes to go by fast.
Corey Lowe.
It's your boy Corey Lowe.
We got 2 minutes.
Representing the, you probably can't see it.
You can't see the shirt.
Star Wayne, though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's that nigga behind the camera.
You dig me?
Go
We doing our own fireworks show. Fuck your fireworks show.
Shit. We gonna set it off. We run the game style. I'll let
1
you.
minute, y'all. 1 minute.
We got one motherfucking minute.
Hopefully, Ryan will start coming in this house.
Huh?
And once again, the people back there are part of the firework team. I'm scared right now.
He gonna
Nervous
have
right
the
now.
camera with
Taking
you.
a picture.
Yeah, he gonna have the